Hello everyone, this is Wei Wei. Today I'm going to guide you through the Digital SAT sample question number 2. Now again, when we read the test, we try to identify what kind of test is that. For this one, this is a scientific information test. And secondly, when we read, we try to focus on the main idea, the summary of the test. And read the questions before you start, so that when you read, you have your question in your mind. Now, let's look at the questions for this sample. Which finding from the model tests, if true, would most strongly support Ginza and colleagues' hypothesis? Strongly support hypothesis. While we read, we will try to figure out what is the hypothesis and find the answers that most strongly support the hypothesis. Now let's start reading. Jan Ginza, Robert Slade, and Ulrich Ginza have hypothesized that the cell-like structures running down the back of the dinosaur Spinosaurus archaeopteryx improved the animal's success in underwater pursuit of prey species capable of making quick, evasive movements. To evaluate their hypothesis, a second team of researchers constructed two battery-powered mechanical models of the Archaeopteryx, one with a cell and one without, and subjected the models to a series of identical tests in a water-filled tank. So let's go through the questions. Let's find out which findings from the model test, if true, would most strongly support the hypothesis. A. The model with the cell took significantly longer to travel specified distance while submerged than the model without a cell did. Longer to travel distance. B. The model with the cell displaced significantly more water when submerged than the model without a cell did. Displaced significantly more water. C. The model with the cell have significantly less battery power remaining after completing the test than the model without a cell did. Significantly less battery power. And D. The model with the cell took significantly less time to complete a short turn while submerged than the model without a cell did. Let's go back to the test to find out what the hypothesis is. In the first sentence, the hypothesis is that the cell-like structure running down the back of the dinosaur, the cell-like structure, and the main verb is improved the animal's success in underwater pursuits of prey species capable of making quick, evasive movements. So when we read through all the four answers again, we find that D, the model with the cell, took significantly less time to complete the short turn while submerged than the model without a cell did. A short turn exactly matched with the quick evasive movements. So the answer should be D.